Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to withdraw money from the Square mobile application. If you're using Square to receive payments from customers, withdrawing your money is an important step because it allows you to transfer the funds from your Square balance directly into your bank account. Square gives you different transfer options, including standard transfers and instant transfers, depending on what you prefer. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly where to go inside the app, how to access your balance, and how to start a transfer so the money can be sent to your bank account. So make sure to follow along with the steps and let's get started. First thing is first we will go to our home page and open our Square application. Then after opening it, we will go to the banking tab, which is at the bottom middle of the screen. After that, we will click Instant Transfer. As you can see, my Instant Transfer is unavailable because I don't have any money, but yours will be available and you will tap it. It will take a little fee from your account, but it will be fast. Then you will fill out the required information. Now you know how to withdraw money from the Square mobile application. As you saw in this tutorial, the process is very simple once your bank account is connected and you have money available in your Square balance. Even if some options seem unavailable at first, don't worry, it usually just means that the account hasn't received any payments yet. Once you start receiving payments through Square, all the features you need to transfer your money will become accessible, making it easy to manage your funds. Remember, linking your bank account and keeping track of your balance are key steps to making the most out of Square. Following these simple steps will help you stay on top of your payments and withdrawals without any confusion. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.